Hello there, Joel and Henson here again. The app is Field Buddy and it is available on Google Play. This is the third video in the series of tutorials, and today I wanted to focus on palette 2, the things you could do. But before we get there, let's look at this button, the zoom and pan. So that's going to allow you to change the scale of the drawing, or the what you're looking at anyway, and move around a little bit, just in case that could be helpful. So with one finger I can move the extents, and with the 2-finger pinch I can change the scale. So that's all that does. So let's go over here to palette 2, and you'll see there are a number of things we can do: move, copy, rotate, modify, scale, trim, mirror, or bisect. Trim won't work with anything but lines, but all the other ones would apply. And before we can do that, we have to select the object, which is the button at the far left. So I'm drawing a rectangle around the rectangle, and then selected it, changed the color, and now we can do something with it. I'm going to hit the snap button and pick rotate. So it's asking me what should the angle of rotation be. Let's pick 45. And do I want to make a copy? Why not? Let's do that. And you'll see I made a copy of the object, rotated at the center of the object at a 45-degree angle. Now let's move that let's move that north a little bit. I'm going to move without any level of precision or snap here, so I'm just going to pick where I want to start and then pick where it should go. Do you see how I did that? So that it's up there, let's make a copy of it and pick the top point to the bottom point. So now there are 4 rectangles, and let's say you're not happy with that, you just want to start over. Let's select the whole thing, and you see this button with the trash can that will erase all the objects. But you're really not doing much unless you have objects, so let's put the rectangle back there. So there's our rectangle again. Let's go back to palette 2. I'm going to show you this bisect button. So this is going to blow this thing up into 5 different lines, and it's going to pick which side is closest to my finger. So I'm picking on the far right here. You see that? I have 5 lines, and maybe this is like a door entrance or something, and so you can center it up, or decide how you can decide the distance of the segment that was made. See how I did that? So that could be like your new garage, or I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's palette 2. So stay tuned for my next video, which will be labeled tutorial number 4 in the series. So we'll see you then. Thanks.